Right now, in 2026, there are tech jobs paying over $300,000 a year. And thousands of these roles are still going unfilled. The crazy part? Many of the people landing these jobs weren't even in tech 3 years ago. If you're wondering how to break into the tech industry, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the 5 tech careers exploding in demand right now, how much they actually pay, and exactly how beginners are breaking into these roles without a computer science degree. Stick around till the end, because I'm also going to share a tip that could save you months of wasted time. Let us start with the one everybody is talking about: artificial intelligence. But I want to go beyond the buzzword and tell you what this job actually looks like day to day. An AI and machine learning engineer builds the systems that allow computers to learn and make decisions. Think about how Netflix recommends your next show, how your bank flags suspicious transactions, or how Google translates entire paragraphs in seconds. All of that is powered by AI engineers. In 2026, the average salary for this role in the United States is between $140,000 and $220,000 per year. Senior roles at major tech companies often go well beyond that. So how do you get started? First, you need a solid foundation in Python. Python is the primary language used in AI development, and the good news is, it is also one of the friendliest languages to learn. Start with free resources like FreeCodeCamp or CS50 from Harvard on edX. Both are completely free and beginner approved. Next, learn the basics of data and statistics. You do not need to become a mathematician, but understanding concepts like how data is structured, what patterns look like, and how predictions are made will give you a huge advantage. Then move into machine learning libraries like scikit-learn and TensorFlow. Build simple projects: a movie recommender, an email spam detector, a basic image classifier. These projects become your portfolio. Companies hire based on what you have built, not just what you know. Pro tip: the Google Machine Learning Crash Course is free and takes about 15 hours. It is one of the best starting points available online right now. Here is one that does not get enough attention: cloud architecture. While everyone talks about AI, cloud professionals are quietly some of the highest paid people in the entire industry. A cloud architect designs and manages the digital infrastructure that companies run their services on. Every app you use, Spotify, Zoom, Instagram, runs on cloud servers managed by professionals like these. As more businesses move away from physical servers and into cloud platforms, the demand for cloud expertise has exploded. The average salary in 2026 sits between $130,000 and $200,000, with senior cloud architects and consultants earning significantly more. The 3 major cloud platforms you need to know are Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud. AWS is the most widely used, so if you are starting out, that is where I recommend beginning. Your first goal should be earning the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner certification. This is the entry-level credential that signals to employers you understand cloud fundamentals. You can prepare using the free AWS Skill Builder platform, and the exam itself costs around $100. From there, move into the AWS Solutions Architect Associate certification, which is recognized across the industry as one of the most valuable credentials you can hold in this field. Pro tip: hands-on practice matters more than theory here. Use the AWS free tier to build real environments, launch servers, set up storage, deploy a simple website. Employers love seeing practical projects. Now let us talk about one of the most recession-proof careers in tech: cybersecurity. Here is a staggering fact: there are currently millions of unfilled cybersecurity jobs around the world. Companies are desperate for qualified people, and the talent shortage is only getting worse. A cybersecurity analyst protects organizations from digital attacks. They monitor systems for threats, investigate suspicious activity, respond to breaches, and put systems in place to prevent future attacks. With hackers becoming more sophisticated every year, every company, from hospitals to banks to governments, needs these professionals. Salaries for cybersecurity analysts typically start around $80,000 to $100,000 and climb quickly with experience. Specialized roles like penetration tester or security architect can reach $180,000 or more. The best starting certification in this field is the CompTIA Security Plus. It is vendor neutral, widely recognized, and designed specifically for people entering the field. Professor Messer's free online course is one of the most recommended study resources for this exam. After Security Plus, look at the Certified Ethical Hacker, or CEH, and eventually the CISSP, Certified Information Systems Security Professional, which is considered the gold standard in the field. Build your practical skills using platforms like TryHackMe and Hack the Box. These are gamified, hands-on environments where you practice real hacking and defense techniques in a legal, safe setting. Recruiters genuinely look for profiles on these platforms. Pro tip: document everything. Build a blog or a GitHub repo where you write about what you are learning. This sets you apart from every other candidate who just has a certificate. Data science has been one of the hottest careers for several years now, and in 2026, it is only getting more important. Every business in the world is collecting data. The problem is, most of them do not know what to do with it. That is where the data scientist comes in. A data scientist takes massive amounts of raw data and turns it into insights that drive real business decisions. They answer questions like, why are customers leaving? Which product will sell best next quarter? What is causing delays in our supply chain? In 2026, data scientists earn between $110,000 and $190,000 annually in the US, with senior and lead positions going higher. To break into this field, you need Python and SQL. Python for building models and processing data, SQL for querying databases. These two skills are non-negotiable. From there, learn data visualization tools like Tableau or Power BI to present your findings clearly. The best free resource to learn data science end-to-end is Kaggle. It is a platform where you can take mini courses, access real data sets, and compete in data challenges. Many data scientists have landed their first job by simply showing their Kaggle profile and the projects they completed there. Pro tip: find a domain you care about, whether that is sports, healthcare, finance, or e-commerce, and build projects in that niche. Specialists with both data skills and domain knowledge are extremely valuable and hard to find. Last but absolutely not least, full-stack development. This is the career that has launched more tech careers than probably any other on this list, because it is one of the most practical and in-demand skill sets you can have. A full-stack developer builds complete web applications, both the part the user sees, called the front end, and the part that runs behind the scenes, called the back end. In simple terms, if you have ever used a website or a web app and wondered how it was built, a full-stack developer built it. Salaries range from $90,000 for entry-level positions to $160,000 or more for experienced developers. Freelance full-stack developers in 2026 are also commanding very high rates, sometimes $200 an hour and beyond. Here is the path to get started. Learn HTML and CSS first. These are the building blocks of every website you have ever visited. Then learn JavaScript, which brings websites to life with interactivity. From there, move into a front-end framework. React is the most in demand right now, so start there. For the backend, learn Node.js alongside JavaScript so you are working in one language across the full stack. Then pick up the basics of databases. Start with MongoDB or PostgreSQL. Once you can build a complete app from front to back, you are ready to start applying. Pro tip: build 3 real projects and put them on GitHub. A personal portfolio website, a full CRUD application. That means create, read, update, delete, and one project that solves a real problem you personally have. These 3 projects alone can get you interviews. Okay, I promised you one tip that could save you months of wasted time, and here it is. Most people spend all of their energy learning and almost none of their energy being seen. In tech, visibility matters. Start building in public from day one. Post your projects on LinkedIn. Write short explanations of what you are learning. Share your wins and even your mistakes. This does two things. It accelerates your learning because explaining something forces you to truly understand it, and it builds a network of people who can vouch for you, refer you, and eventually hire you. The tech professionals getting the best opportunities in 2026 are not necessarily the most technically brilliant people in the room. They are the ones who are visible, consistent, and connected. Start today. So let us quickly recap what we covered today. The top 5 high-paying tech careers in 2026 are AI and machine learning engineer, cloud architect, cybersecurity analyst, data scientist, and full-stack developer. Every single one of these careers is accessible to a beginner who is willing to commit to the process. Here's the honest truth. You do not have to master all 5. Pick the one that excites you the most, commit to it for 12 months, and go all in. That focus is what separates the people who break into tech from the people who are still watching videos about breaking into tech a year from now. The resources exist. The demand is real. The only thing standing between you and a high-paying tech career is the decision to start. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. It genuinely helps more people find this content. Subscribe if you have not already, because every week we publish videos just like this one, teaching you the practical tech skills that actually move your career forward. Drop a comment below and tell me which career on this list you are most interested in. I read every single comment, and your answer might just inspire the next video. I will see you in the next one. Keep building.